I was nearly, technically, sort of a co-discoverer of the Higgs boson.
What? I think what myself, at least, and a lot of people think of as special effects these days is
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
oh, people creating massive explosions on a computer. Tell us more about the Stormtrooper.
There's just like an inch or two between the
Mhm.
back panel and the front. That's just enough distance to kind of diffuse the LEDs really nicely.
Having a person who's at that level designing a kit for other people who are close to that level is
Yeah.
like a little bit of a better fit.
It's really hard to predict sometimes when you have like some knowledge or some information,
Yeah.
what things other people will or won't know about the same thing. The idea is that this NFT is going to be able to change over time with air quality data from that sensor. If the Earth's magnetic field was actually that strong, all the iron would be pulled out of your blood.
Nice.
So